Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at Sunday Night Crypto. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links have gone out, pinned here on top of the chat. Andrew, what is up, dude? Thank you very much for being here. Let's get the stream rolling, right? What is happening with crypto, man? Haven't really been looking at this the last couple of days. Sorry about not being here the last couple of days, guys. Again, like I said, yesterday was my Sunday's my son's birthday party, and day before we were like getting stuff together in the house. So yeah. We're here today, though. Crypto's still below the $1.03 trillion mark. So we're not getting a lot, right? Saturday, Sunday, Monday opening, going on the red. All right. Divergence, bearish, right? Hidden, getting that stagnation, right? Downsloping consolidation. Could ultimately lead to another leg up. Are we going to get that, or are we going to see this as an upsloping channel that is going to lead us to farther sell-off, right? The larger move here being, from here on out, right? We're just gonna draw it here real quick, highlight it of sorts, and then tell you what I'm looking at. These will kind of be that larger move, right? That we could be saying that, oh, it's an upsloping channel. Oh, is that gonna break down? We don't know yet. We don't know yet if that's gonna break down, right? So go check out the fear and greed index. Where are we at? Ooh, 30. All right, we're in fear, but not an extreme fear. We're not like pooping our pants fear levels, just regular level. John Gregory, what's up, dude? Bitcoin 20,276. All right, so below 23,220. Yeah, not being able to get above that area, right? Broke back down. We're looking at this potential flag motion, right? Remember we said if we manage to stay above their flag, try to get that rally. Not looking like super good right now. Still looks like a flag of sorts, but not the best flag, right? And if we go onto this chart and we zoom out, we're also going to see this upsloping consolidation pattern that we're building, and that could lead to more sell-off, right? Again, we've kind of talked about this. So, more money. What's up, dude? I'll talk about that in a bit. Anyways, still trading down, about to hit that 50% retrace, or not 50% retrace, sorry, that 50% line, the midline of this upsloping channel. Which again, if we are to break it to the downside, we're targeting the 10 to 12Ks, right? So here, let's go to the weekly real quick, see how we closed. Well, the week. How we close with the week, man? Oh, we had a green week. Nice. We're starting a new week, starting to go a little bit on the red. If you remember, we're still looking for something similar to this happening, right? Maybe get that new hooking motion before we get that sell-off again, right? So let's see how the market keeps doing, right? Again, not all is lost, not all hope is lost, but you know, we're just not really taking off from this area. Again, measure move has been met for this triple bottom, sort of. 4-hour chart. Last time we were here, had that hit divergence, popped a bit, nothing bearish coming in. Started drop, more negative coming in lower. There's really nothing else bullish happening here. Or bearish, right? So here we're dropping lower with more negative momentum and lower on the RSI. So up to this level, we are okay. Now let's zoom in here. So we kind of popped, went for that 20, rejected it, and we're coming from a low point to a higher low, negative momentum to less of that negative momentum, and a low point on the RSI to a slightly higher point. So nothing here, man. I mean, it's just it doesn't have anything bullish or bearish, just neutral at 44.20. Kind of moving around, doing some little thing there. Let's go back here. We're looking at this. We had this bearish divergence. Move this down a bit. That's fine. We're live here on this candle, 8 p.m. Drop, need a 20 pump, and then we haven't been here for the last couple days, right? So let's check what happened here. So this managed to come still to here, right? And then this, we'll still have tracked onto there. So head divergence still in play. Moving us down, then as we were dropping into the abyss, right, came back down here, that 21,105, awesome support there being held, and we bounced from it. Good. our supports are working to some extent, right? So bullish divergence, actually the upside, second that pop, not bad. Created bearish divergence, strong here on this move. We just say to here. Here we failed to get higher than the previous high or close higher than the previous high. That bearish divergence shrunk too cold and it's starting to move us back down. But right now we don't seem to have any kind of hidden bullish to come and help us. So this could drop us down to 21,155 again. That could be a target that Bitcoin could be aiming for, right? Right. Cal Crop Dog, what's up, dude? Let's do ADA here real quick at 49.8. Sorry, we just finished Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. I think I just skipped completely over Ethereum. Ethereum at $1,554. Come on, load Ethereum. There we go. All right, so we had some sort of bearishness, putting pressure on the price, try to go higher, still coming in lower here and here. So we had the hidden divergence moving down a bit, right? And we're starting to get this here motion. For bearish divergence, strong potential for action to downside, right? Potential for action to downside. And we could be going for a drop. If we do drop, 1,514 is going to be there to hold us. Other than that, not a lot. Not a lot. We're in this range. So we do break 1,514. We're looking for 1,465, 1,420, and so on to downwards. Spiral land. All right, let's go here. Had some bullishness last time we looked at it. Managed to keep on tracking with that, and that's fine. Low, higher low, negative, less negative. Here, some hidden divergence against the hidden bullish divergence against the RSI, right? That's leading us to continuation, and I think that's why we got this last pop here. But on this move, man, even on the move from here to here, there is strong bearish divergence that just kept on building up. And I just noticed that a lot of things I just drew here on the 4 hour were not anchored. So it's going to make it really messy. So let's fix this one here real quick as well. Fix this one here as well. So there we go. All right, so hidden bullish, that's what's helping us to rally, but we're failing to close higher than the previous high. That could lead us to, you know, come back down to 2,214. We're breaking below 20. And on our attempted rally here, we failed to close higher than this previous high. So, you know, yeah, looking for 1,114 hit and then see if we hold there. If we don't, looking for 1,465. Right, neutral at 50.43. Let's go to that 1 hour chart again. There's supposed to be a Fed announcement on the week, so we shall see what the Fed is going to say and then how it's going to affect the markets, right? Because the Fed talks and the markets move, so that's how this rolls. Look at this. Bearish divergence. Strong at a key area, right? 1,618. Dropping down. All right, so rejection zone there. Man, do we have anything else here? We had strong bullish here for that rally, which again is pretty nice. It just kind of sucks that we weren't able to get it to play better. Right? Divergence came in, built, and moved us down. So yeah, that's about it. Still looking for a move potentially to 1,514. And then if we do go there, man, we're gonna see if we have some kind of hidden bullish. And if we do have hidden bullish, I think we might already be creating hidden bullish. Yeah, but that's the right now candle. This could still be undone by the time the candle closes. So hidden bullish, if we do manage to hold on to it, could be looking for a pop shot 20, but ultimately I think we are going to be aiming for that $1,514 mark. John Guerrero says it's going to be a crazy week. I think it's going to be a crazy week. Let's go to Matic, I guess, right? That was the first one that we requested. So Matic, here we go. We have seen Matic in the past. I'm not sure if there's a Matic chart that we've used, but I know we've done Matic in the past. Yeah, I think we had some data here. So we're looking for some bearishness. I think we kind of got rid of that by the time we came up here. Yeah. So the various divergence that we were looking for here in the daily, no longer there, right? We kind of got rid of it, and that's fine. So nothing bearish, just flagging above the 20 moving average, which is fine. Neutral, bought at 61.49. Getting some kind of recovery here, which is not bad. All right, let's anchor at that high point there and then come to the low point here. And we are rejecting the 236. Interesting. We need to get above that area and start to look for a bounce to happen for us to get above that 382, right? So hopefully we can get there. Otherwise, rejection of that zone, going for that 20, and then try to, see if we can bounce again there. But if Bitcoin tanks, this might tank with the market. So let's go here to the 4-hour chart, see what's happening here. Impulse up, consolidation, right? We're making a nice flag here. Really nothing bearish or bullish at this flagging level. All I'm looking for is whether or not this flag is going to give us continuation, which again, it should, right? We're flagging after a nice impulse up. So we should be looking for some kind of continuation to happen here. So let's go to the 1-hour chart, right? Because there's not a lot here in the 4. ADA? Yeah, we're gonna look at ADA. Where do I see support? We can check it out in a second. There's hidden bullish coming in here, and that's gonna put pressure. That's gonna help, right? Put pressure, positive pressure on the price, and try to see if we can get it to go slightly higher. This hidden divergence again could be beneficial for a movement up. Maybe go for that 20 moving average. All right, that'll be a nice target at 87.31. I think that's a good area that we could go to. On a movement down, support, man, maybe something around here. Alta here. It looks to be an area here that once we kind of broke above, came back down, used the support here, and then used as resistance here, right? So this 74.46 could be a support. If we don't hold support there, man, down here, we were moving up here. Rejected, and then finally broke through it and just moved through this channel extremely quick. Here we're trying to make new history at this level. All right, so we might find some minor supports if we do break there, but ultimately the next support is gonna be at 45 cents. And then this one, yeah, I think we should also say that we're kind of hitting a rejection zone here because we came up here, rejected, but we haven't really backtested that zone again. So maybe around here, 74, I think it's a good area to look for some kind of support. 20 moving average kind of close there by now also, so could have a double support. Right, then the request that came in was KDA. All right, let's go check out KDA. KDA stands for Canadian dollar. I'm kidding, not the Canadian dollar. Where's this Cadena at, man? Bearishness, all right, moving down, breaking below 20, breaking below support here at 1.58. Targeting on a moving down to 1.39 cent mark. Again, really not a lot happening here afterwards. So let's go to the daily. We're looking for some kind of divergence here. We managed to hold on to it, which is fine. And again, tried rally, hit the 20, rejected, came back lower. So afterwards, and on this drop, so from here to here and from here to here, we are creating bullish divergence strong. We had a possibility for action to the upside, right? So that is what we should be potentially aiming for here. This bullish divergence to kick in and try to get us to get above that 20. I think that's that'll be a good target for us. So from here to here, and then from here to here, right? And then here we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. So bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside. We should be trying to hit and aim for $1.59. Then above there around $1.63, and so long as we keep on this divergence. Now there is a small break here, right? There is a small break here, tiny green bar. And what that could do is that we could drop a lot lower still, right? We could drop a lot lower still, and we just have to make less negative momentum than back here. So we still be coming here and still have that bullish divergence, and then wait for it to trigger. Again, this last one is just starting to develop, so we're waiting to see if this is going to play to the upside. Doesn't have to play immediately, right? It has to develop. It has to get, it has to get a tell that it's looking for a reversal. We don't have that tell yet. Still pointing down on the RSI, still making negative momentum. No confirmation of that negative momentum receding yet. You're starting to slow down, so we have to wait. Once we start to get that MACD to slow down and start to get the RSI to start pointing the opposite direction, start to look like we're starting to point back up, then we could be in a position where we could say yes, this might be looking like it's gonna bounce now, and then maybe go for that 20, maybe go for that $1.59. But we're so close that a quick bounce could get us above there. Right, let's go to the 1 hour. Again, starting to drop on this candle. Bullish divergence strong here. Played us to the upside a bit, but not really a lot, right? Just kind of pop. Try to get above the 20 and failed to hold it the first time. Second time also, right? Try to rally, but just weakness overall. So let's move here, man. There's really nothing bearish from back here and here. If we zoom in here on this shorter move, and this shorter move, there is. All right, look at that. Bearish divergence strong, action to downside, starting to get a drop, man. No hidden divergence, no hidden bullish. Oversold at 28.31. That's what we're looking at right now. All right, so I guess BNB. I also got requested, so let's check out Binance. I haven't looked at BNB in a while, man. It is holding at 256, which again, that's fine, man. I really regret not buying back in at BNB at $4. Man, that would have been a really good buy. I just didn't believe that it was gonna have this much potential back then. Even then, I would still be making a killing on this one. Nothing bearish. Again, nice recovery to the upside. Again, upslope consolidation that could lead to a break down here, right? So yeah. Just gonna go like this for now. Right. Again, upsloping channel. I'm not pinpointing it to the closings, and I think I might be getting better touch points here if I go with the closings. So there, and let's just bring this to here and see. Yeah, we tried to break but didn't. So yeah, I guess that could work to some extent. Again, I just want to highlight the upsloping channel that we're trading in that could lead to a break to the downside if we just, keep on trending within the channel. Go to the 4 hour chart. Again, consolidating here at this here level, so not a lot going on. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low to high, and then low to high as well. So not a lot here, man. Also not a lot here that is bearish. I'm gonna have to zoom in here and double check, make sure we didn't create anything. As far as divergence, I think we might have had some hidden bullish with a small pop. That's about it, right? Really not a lot. Zoom in here, man. Yeah, there we go. It was just tiny. It was barely visible. So hit that divergence, hit that pop, try to go for the 20, hit it, felt to stay above it, and now starting that movement down. Here on this move, we had the bearishness that broke us down, but again, this is just history. Go to the 1 hour chart. Let's do this here, man. Bearish divergence strong, action to downside, starting that moving down. Nothing else happening, nothing bullish afterwards. Sold to 36.67. That's it. Really not a lot with Binance right now. Again, there's like nothing super cool showing up here. We could be calling on no inverse head and shoulders, nothing like that. Still waiting. All right. Alrighty. Which data? Eat at 49.9 on the daily. And where are we at? Come on, load. Loading. Loading. All right, ADA. Starting to look like it wants to bounce, but yeah, we don't have anything bearish ahead. And on the short term, longer move, maybe we've created something. Let's see if we can find from back here. Yeah, look at it, right? Hidden divergence. Hidden bearish, putting pressure, getting us to move sideways. Still above the 20 though, neutral at 53.78. Did I buy anything this month? Yeah, I took a quick play on Ethereum. Nothing here that is bearish. And here we had some strong bullish by the looks of it. Oh, snaps. I almost dropped something here. Not going to be good. My office space, which happens to be also the storage of the house, happens to be invaded by a lot of things that were outside that we had to clear for my kids' party with his friends. So my office is like overstuffed with work. Like I have stuff that comes all the way up here. You can't see it, but let's say if my desk is here, like the stuff comes up here, right below where the camera gets to see it. It's just a lot of stuff that was just either that needs to be either sorted or discarded. I'm not sure what we're gonna end up doing with this, but the office is completely stuffed with a lot of things that probably shouldn't be here right now. So there's a lot of things all over my desk. A lot of random cool things over my desk. Anyways, bullishness, getting that pop. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, bearish divergence strong, right? Potential for actually downside. All right, there we go. And here we're creating some bullish. Bullish divergence hidden. Potential for action to the upside, right? Maybe we pop and hit that 20. Right? We're starting to see a lot of projects create this divergence. And this hidden divergence. So we could be looking for kind of reversal, maybe to a 20 moving average at 51.9. I think that's about it for ADA right now, though, right? I mean, on a movement up, ultimately our target up above the 20, it's 55 cents. Below the 20, we're looking at 44.8. All right, now let's go check out the Crow coin, the Crow Magnon coin. Alrighty, let's go here, man. And bullish divergence, strong potential correction upside. You got a rally. Wasn't a bad move here. Kind of run out of gas real quick, though. All right. Check out Doge is going to run real quick. All right, we'll see. We'll see, man. It's going to break soon. Bearish divergence here, strong. Like we've seen a couple of the projects as well. Ginger moving down, nothing bullish afterwards. Sold at 33.46. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're going to do this one in reverse. Because we're going to go backwards. Backwards to the daily. Alrighty. Yes, bearish divergence strong. Moving down after that. Downslope consolidation. Oh, this downslope consolidation here they're getting could lead potentially to a break to the upside. Hopefully, that's what we would be looking for. And if we zoom in here, we don't have a lot going on. Dropping a little bit lower is going to create some bullish divergence, right? Just come down here somewhere and have that strong bullish divergence against the MACD, and then look for a bounce, right? That'll be a good move. The downslope consolidation that I'm talking about is this one here. I'm going to use a triangle tool to change things a bit, spice things up a bit, and then point it down like that and be like, yo, look at it, guys. This what we're looking for, right? It's kind of like down sloping motion. It's too large for a triangle. But yeah, that is a down sloping motion that we're looking for. I'm just gonna do it. That was gonna look cool with a triangle. It just goes on forever and ever and ever. All right, and we're gonna look at that. Yeah. Looking at that potential flag formation happening. Maybe see if we can get a break to the outside. But that's about it here in the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily for Pro. Nothing here that is bearish, also nothing that is bullish. Above the 20, again, looking for maybe a dollar. Sorry, not a dollar. Looking for 14.63 cents. I think that's gonna be a good target. Break below 20. Oh man, the move's gonna go potentially to 8.57 cents. Oh man, those are the moves on Crow. Crow's so cheap that I might consider buying some. Interesting. I might consider buying some. Chill Doge. All right, so we had some hidden bearish moving sideways, so yeah, nothing bullish or bearish happening. Hidden bearish, sorry. Even more hidden bearish divergence. There we go, right? Again, that the bearishness hidden. Still moving sideways, trying to break below the 20. So yeah, neutral at 47.30. And fortunately, nothing bullish though. We had stuff from the 1 hour that's coming through. That's fine. Maybe this from the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Yeah, it's 1 hour. All right, so we're gonna focus back here. I'm gonna ignore the friggin' mess that I just forgot to anchor back here. Going for some kind of bearishness here on the 4 hour, move down, then afterwards bounce from the 20, and we just kept on bouncing. That's okay. Zooming here, there's bullish divergence here, fortunately. Fortunately, we found some bullish divergence wrong for potential moving up. Neutral up 40.78 again. Potential for moving up. Maybe go for that 20 moving average. It does 6.82 cents. Not bad. We're sitting at 6.58. So man, could be an okay move on the 1 hour chart, man. Look, coming in lower, more negative momentum, lower on the other side, so nothing bullish. And we might have created something bearish here. It just don't look super nice and tight as a move. So I'm just gonna really zoom in here a lot more, and we just double hit. Yeah, it looks like we just hit here twice at the same price levels. We might be off by a fraction of a cent. So here we closed at 6.88 and 6.80. All right, it's the same. Sideways motion moving down here, so we have some bearish divergence, medium bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. Look at that, playing us down. That is it. We're trading something bullish afterwards. No, we're not. So Doge will bump up soon. Maybe Elon, are you gonna pump it? Elon Musk off lurking. Are you gonna pump it? Is it gonna pump or not? Guys, if you're enjoying the content here at So Crypto, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us in the Discord. Link is pinned at the top of the chat. It's Sunday, guys. It is Sunday. It's been a long day for some reason. I'm tired from yesterday. Kids' parties take a lot of energy from adults. Getting everything like you know together and decorate and then clean the house afterwards. It's just a pain in the butt. Cryptocraft man. Skibbity deep. Cryptocraft man. Yeah. So he's closing at 6 and Doge. You want to swing trade on it? Good luck with that one. I mean, it is Sunday night. Everything looks like crap though. Everything's going down at least 1%. Ethereum down 2%. Yeah. They just gotta wait for the new bull market to manifest itself. And then we can all be going back to being happy campers. Happy campus. What is it? Oh, UV light. You might not be able to see it because it's blue. Maybe? Sure. Oh, look, I'm gonna make a hole in my hand. Look at that magic trick. Make it have a holy hand. Not holy as in holy, but holy as in hole. It has a hole in it. How the futures? I have no clue. I have not looked at the future. Let me bring up my crystal magic ball. Bitcoin futures. Are we gapping? Nope. We haven't. Again, I'm a little bit on the fence whether or not I want to consider this here gap close at 1,842. We were a fraction off just to close it 100%, but this is close enough where we could say kind of closed. But yeah, if you want to be really tight about the numbers, we just left a small amount there. A lot of gaps to the upside, right? 1, 2, 3. Right? Just back here, we only have 2 gaps left to close, and I'm moving down. This one here, which again I said we've kind of failed to close 100%, and then there's another one. There's another one somewhere over here. Here. Right, that we never came back down and closed it at 9,600. So, yeah. Carthic on the Discord saying we might drop below 10K. Yeah, we might. And we might close that gap and then just, start to run from there again. We shall see, man. Yeah, that's it. Good old crypto. Are we going to go back down? We don't know yet. The crypto craftman says. I am not a fan of this week. M2 could flip the XY. Looks like it's gonna keep slowly raising. Maybe. Where the DXY at, man? Where's the dollar index at? 106. Alright, we've dropped. Why are we dropping? Because those bearish divergence dropped to 20. Created hidden bullish. Have not really been coming back to this chart in a couple days, so good that we came back here and we see that we have the hidden bullish. Oh, dude, went up, hit the 20. All right. We had strong bearish on the weekly. We're looking for some kind of strong bearish back here. We also have not come back to check out the weekly in a while, so yeah, could still be moving down, right? Strong bearish against the MACD and the RSI. I should be looking for maybe a drop to 102. That could lead to Bitcoin recovering a bit more before we actually see that magical drop. The 12 and change. Was it like 12K? Right, let's go check out the gold and silver, I guess, real quick. Where's oil? $96. All right, 96 tobacco roots for oil. Sorry for oh. Alrighty, that's weekly. Let's go on the daily. Here we are. Alright, nothing bearish afterwards. Even with that pop. Unable to get to a 20. Not looking bad. Gold and gold is just dropping. Still managing to hold support at 1,684. Good. And also recovering here the old high at 1,703. Silver, similar stuff. All right, just 18 buckaroos. All right, not bad. Not bad for silver. Not bad for gold. All right. Hopefully, crypto market can hold market cap. Yeah, market cap's below $1 trillion again. We were at $1 trillion yesterday, but not today. Chevron gas went from 6.59 to 6.10. Wow, it's great. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I'm gonna be calling it an early stream, 40 plus minutes, I guess. I'm not sure how. But I think I'm gonna be calling it a stream for tonight. I do want to get some rest. It has been having horrible rest this last couple days. Tomorrow I know it's gonna be hectic at work, so I want to go in and to an early sleep and recover from yesterday's events. With that said, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Happy Sunday. I hope you have a great beginning of your week on Monday and awesome trading. Until then.